Hello everybody, this is Chandni Mahajan from Celestial Energies, your tarot card reader, numerologist, your Vastu consultant, your life coach, so on and so on. Today I am here with yet another session of pickup cards that what your angels are saying you for the month of September 2020. As we all know that Corona is still there, but if we watch our previous videos where I have said that Corona will start vanishing after 21st of June, that was the solar eclipse again. So yes, we can see the results that it has vanished. So now let us see that what your angels are saying for us for the month of September 2020. So I have just randomly picked up 3 piles of cards, of which you will be choosing one, and let's see which one is resonating with you. So this is again Chandni Mahajan asking you to pick up one pile or choose off the one pile of deck which will be telling you what your angels are going to say for you. So let's focus on each deck, or let's focus on a deck for 15 seconds and see what our angels are going to say for us. For the people, those who do not want to see the complete video, time frame have been given at the end of the video in the link section where we have written the description. The time frame have been given. So let's choose the people, those who have chosen pile number 1, what angels are saying to them. Let's see. The first card is from the Ganesha card, saying us steadfastness. The second card is from the God's Goddess deck, which is saying Gayatri Devi, and another deck is from our Doreen Virtues Angel Therapy, which is telling us deal away addictions. So heal away addiction. So let's see what the first card means. Steadfastness. Steadfastness. This means that don't go hayway, just follow on the one path whichever is fine for you. Which road you are actually thinking is right for you is the right for you. Don't fall into any kind of a confusions. Don't follow hayway people, or don't follow n number of people. Don't take suggestions from so many people around. You are sitting on an elephant, as we can see that Lord Ganesha is already sitting on elephant, and an elephant never takes Lord Ganesha on the wrong path. So similarly, he will never take you on the wrong path. So whichever path you have chosen is right for you, and it will be the one which will actually take you to the goal. If we see towards the second card, that is Gayatri Devi. Brahma Rupani Gayatri Divya Sadhe Saraswati Ajre Amre Sakaye Va Brahma Yone Namastute. This means that Gayatri Devi is asking you for the purification, peace of mind, spiritual knowledge, greater concentration, ability to please all the gods. So if you can, actually you are looking for some project, or if you are onto a deal that whether this project will be done or not, or you are in the midway, so yes, this project will be done for you, but you have to chant Gayatri Jap every morning, every evening, and whenever you get the time. People do ask me, ma'am, when we do have to do the japs. It is not about the morning or evening, it is about the intentions. Whenever you are having a clear intention, just remove your shoes, clean your hands, and start chanting whatever mantra you resonate with. The third card, which is coming from the Doreen Virtue Angel Therapy, is heal away addictions. If any kind of addictions you think that they are coming in a path, they are stopping you, or they are obstructing you in your behavior, so let go all those blockages. It is time for you to let go the behaviors that are blocking you from the heart's desire. Ask Archangel Raphael to help you with this healing. So we can easily say that the people, those who have chosen card number 1, please clear out all their confusions. The path for them is very clear. So there is no if and but in the question, there is no if and but in the project. You are going to succeed it, you are going to attain that project or that file, whichever project, whichever is it in your mind or whichever is in your hand, you are going to successfully complete it. No work in progress is going to be left half done or not done. So let's say take card pile number 2. The pile number 2, the first card is again of Ganesha saying belonging. Second is Nataraj, Lord Shiva. And third is listen to your intuitive feelings. If I talk about the card of belonging, yes, you belong to this world. Sometimes we are so depressed, or sometimes we just find a reason to cry, but we just want to cry, but we do not find a reason to cry. We just want to run away because we are not getting that reason of belongingness. We are not getting that chance of belongingness in the society, or in the house, or in the work environment, wherever we are working. We do not find that wantedness from ourselves, or from our family, or our peer group, or society. But no, you are belonging to this group, you are belonging to this society, you belong to this world, and please have that belongingness, or have the feeling of belongingness. If we talk about the card of Nataraj, the Lord of Dance, Lord Shiva, तो Lord Shiva मंत्रा शिवाय नटराजाय नमस्य ते विवस्याय मृत्राय नपूर्य जना जन करायत पदा Khandita Martave. Sorry for the pronunciation. It means that we all salute Lord Shiva in the form of universe, Lord of cosmic dance. Here Lord Shiva is telling you to be fearless. Whatever fear you are getting here, that you are not being wanted. So be fearless. Joy the creativity, perfection in art and music and dance. Just find a reason to have pleasure among yourself. Just find a reason to be entertained. Finding pleasure in all circumstances of life is actually going to give you reason to live. If you are actually just going to be depressed and not finding any reason to be entertained, your life will be hell, and you will be making it more depressed. In the last card, listen to your intuitive feeling. This is a card from the Doreen Virtue Angel Therapy, which was telling us your body is receiving accurate messages from the divine. So whatever intuitive feelings, you are just listening. We have mind and a soul, and the mind is the one which actually creates the thing, and soul is the one which actually gives us the creative message, and which actually gives us the divine messages. So just listen to your soul, and your soul is asking you to love yourself, to be yourself, and to do not have this feeling of unwantedness. So you should be there, your feelings should be there, and everything will be positive with you. So nothing to worry about. This is what your angels are saying you, that start loving yourself. If we talk about pile number 3, the first card in the Ganesha instant is Harmony. Second is Buddha, what a coincidence. And the third card is God Box. Wow. So harmony, as we all know, what does a harmony means? Harmony means to be at peace, that you are harmonious, that you want to be at peace, and everybody around you want peace and are at peace. So nothing to be worrying about. Everything whichever is happening to you will be taking place with a proper impact, with the proper desires. It will be step by step, chronological orders will be followed for anything to be done. So nothing to worry about, everything will be in your favor. If we talk about Buddha, the Lord of Compassion, the mantra would be Yasya Shabru Brahmakampa Mara Rama Sah Sainika Kakrur Rana Rangam Na Deswam Sa Sante Saguto Tuva. So this is what Lord Buddha is actually is telling us, that we should not believe in any kind of a violence. We should attain nirvana, detachment from worldly temptations, readiness and ability to pass knowledge on to others. That we should actually pass our knowledge to others. Keeping our knowledge to ourselves, we are just wasting it, we are not utilizing it. But when we actually pass our knowledge to other people, or when we pass our knowledge to people, those who actually need it, it is actually utilization of knowledge. Whenever our self knowledge get over our illusion knowledge, we are one, we gain the victory, which is actually also written in Gita. So God Box, the card from the Angel Therapy, Doreen Virtue Angel Therapy, which is saying God Box. Write any worries, concern or desires on a piece of paper that you put into a special container called a God Box, as a way of letting go, allowing a divine to help you. What you can do here is, if you want something to let go, if you just want to remove anything from your life, just write it on a piece of paper, put it in a box. If you want some kind of a desires, or you want some kind of a things or urges to be fulfilled, write it in on a paper and put it in a box, and forget about the things whatever you have written. Slowly and steadily your wishes will be encompassed and you will be fulfilled with all your wishes. So this is what the angel message is telling you all about, what uh, angels want to say you in the for the month of September. I hope you like this video. If you actually like this, please subscribe my channel and put this thumbs up sign. uh, this is Chandni Mahajan from Celestial Energy. Say bye to everybody. Any of one you want me to put another video or ask me pick up question card, please comment in the please feel free to comment in the feedback section or a comment section so that I can work on that video. Thank you.